Let's make a bee skep garland out of this Easter stuff. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I got this little wood bead garland from Dollar General. Probably didn't pay that much for it. And all I'm going to do is put some masking tape over the tassels because I want to keep them intact, but I want to paint the inside. And I'm going to paint those beads black. If I was thinking, I probably would have done black and yellow, but it's okay. It's all right. Anyways, so then I have this little bead garland that has an egg that I got from Dollar General as well. Got it on clearance last year, but you're going to start seeing some of them pop up now. So, excuse me. So, one of two ways you can do this first part. You can put glue on and start wrapping it around the long way with some jute. Make sure it's adhered. Or you can put glue on the top and then kind of go back and forth. It's up to you however you want it done, but this way you don't have any gaps on the top of jute later because we're going to wrap all of this jute. I did make a little loop with a knot to make it a hanger so we could attach it to our wood beads later. So all I'm doing right now is gluing it before I start doing the wrapping. Then I put a little bit of glue on our jute and egg mixture, I guess. And I'm just doing jute, glue, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And then we are going to go all the way down. I find putting glue on every once in a while is helpful so that it doesn't unravel on me. And I find the best place to put the glue is on the very edges, only because that way it'll really adhere and you don't have to worry about it shifting. But however you need to get it done, of course. And this is me just wrapping. All right, so then when you get to the very end, there is a little bit of a gap because I didn't go as far as I should have with my initial wrapping in the beginning. So what I'm going to do right now is just put a little dot of glue and I'm going to put the jute over it and I'm going to hold it until the glue really adheres so that the jute doesn't shift. Easy peasy, right? That's why I love jute because it's very forgiving. You can kind of cover up mistakes. I cut the end, I glue it down. Again, it's jute, so you can kind of hide the end, and there we go. Lovely. Then I'm going to put a little glue on our bee skep, and I'm going to use a little bit of a thicker gauge jute, and all I'm doing right now is just making a circle. I go around mine 3 times because I like the number 3. No other reason, but you do as many times around as you want to make it look like the opening of the bee skep. I hope I'm saying that right. I always called it a beehive, but it's really a bee skep apparently. Someone told me that because I have brilliant people who follow my page. So there it is. Adorable, right? But then we're going to just add a little black. Now, if I was thinking, I would have gone further and put a little hot glue and then painted it yellow to make it look like honey. I know, but I didn't. But you could. All right, and all I'm going to do next is I removed the tassel from one end of our wood bead garland, and then I'm just tying it to our bee skep. I cut off the excess and quit it. Quit it right now. Look at how cute this is. I almost said quit it and stop it at the same time, and that was ridiculous. I get so excited I lose my words. Anyways, friends, look at how cute this is. So easy. And again, pretty soon you're going to see a lot of the egg stuff come out. And egg stuff is the perfect shape for doing beehives. Just saying. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, friends. And I hope this inspires you.